Your gut is more than just a place where food gets digested. It is the command center for many key aspects of your health, from immunity and mood to skin and energy levels. Today, we are diving into how the right nutrition can completely transform your gut health and, in turn, your entire life. If you have ever experienced bloating, fatigue, poor sleep, brain fog, or constant cravings, your gut may be sending out distress signals. But the good news is that you can begin to heal and strengthen your gut naturally, starting with what you eat every single day. So stay tuned till the end, because we are uncovering not just what to eat, but when to eat, how to combine foods, and the biggest mistakes most people make without realizing it. Let's get started. Your digestive tract is home to trillions of bacteria, known as the gut microbiome. This invisible world of microbes plays a massive role in keeping your immune system strong, your hormones balanced, and even your mood stable. Scientists now call the gut the second brain, and for good reason. 90% of your serotonin, the happiness chemical, is actually produced in your gut, not your brain. That means if your gut is inflamed, irritated, or overloaded with harmful bacteria, it can directly impact how you feel mentally and emotionally. So, nourishing your gut with the right nutrition isn't just about digestion. It is about unlocking better physical, mental, and emotional health. Let us start with the foundation of gut health: fiber. Most people think of fiber as something that just helps you stay regular, but it is much more than that. Soluble fiber, found in foods like oats, apples, flax seeds, and beans, feeds the good bacteria in your gut. This promotes a balanced microbiome and helps reduce inflammation. On the other hand, insoluble fiber, found in whole grains and vegetables, helps push waste through your digestive tract and prevents constipation. Sadly, the average person gets far less fiber than needed. Aim for at least 25 to 35 grams of fiber per day to truly support your gut and keep things moving smoothly. Now let us talk about fermented foods, which are absolute game changers for your gut. These include yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, miso, and kombucha. These foods are rich in probiotics, the beneficial bacteria your gut craves. Adding just a small amount of fermented foods to your meals each day can increase your microbiome diversity, improve digestion, and reduce symptoms like bloating and gas. If you are new to fermented foods, start slow, maybe with a tablespoon of sauerkraut or a half cup of yogurt, and gradually increase your intake to give your system time to adjust. Next up, let us talk about prebiotics. These are the types of fiber that act as food for your good gut bacteria. Think of them as the fertilizer that helps your probiotic garden grow. Foods rich in prebiotics include garlic, onions, leeks, bananas, asparagus, and artichokes. When you eat these, you are not just feeding yourself. You are feeding the beneficial microbes that protect you from inflammation, infection, and even obesity. A balanced combination of probiotics and prebiotics is one of the most effective ways to create a healthy gut environment that supports every part of your well-being. But gut health is not just about adding the right foods. It is also about removing the wrong ones. The biggest enemy of your gut is ultra-processed food. These foods are loaded with artificial additives, preservatives, refined sugars, and bad fats that disrupt your gut microbiome and weaken your intestinal lining. If you often eat packaged snacks, sugary cereals, fast food, or soda, your gut is likely under attack. These ingredients feed the harmful bacteria and starve the good ones, leading to a condition called dysbiosis, an imbalance in the gut microbiome. This can cause chronic inflammation, which has been linked to issues like autoimmune diseases, depression, skin problems, and even cancer. So one of the most powerful things you can do for your gut is to reduce or eliminate processed foods and replace them with whole, real foods as close to nature as possible. Another important aspect of gut health is hydration. Your digestive system needs water to function properly, break down food, and absorb nutrients. But most people walk around dehydrated without realizing it. Drinking enough water helps prevent constipation, flushes out toxins, and supports the mucus lining of your intestines, which protects against harmful invaders. Aim to drink half your body weight in ounces of water per day, and include hydrating foods like cucumbers, watermelon, and leafy greens in your meals. You can also try starting your morning with a glass of warm water and lemon, a simple ritual that wakes up your digestive system and prepares your gut for the day ahead. Now, let us talk about timing. The when of eating can be just as important as the what. Studies have shown that intermittent fasting, which involves giving your gut a break for 12 to 16 hours, can help reset your digestive system, reduce inflammation, and promote the growth of good bacteria. You do not need to do anything extreme. Just try to stop eating at least 3 hours before bedtime and have a consistent window for meals. This gives your body time to repair and cleanse during the night. Many people report reduced bloating, better sleep, and clearer skin just by adjusting their meal timing. Also, stress plays a huge role in gut health. When you are stressed, your body releases hormones like cortisol that can interfere with digestion and increase gut permeability, also known as leaky gut. This allows toxins and undigested food particles to escape into the bloodstream, triggering inflammation and immune reactions. That is why chronic stress is linked to conditions like IBS, anxiety, and food sensitivities. To protect your gut, practice daily stress-reducing habits like meditation, deep breathing, nature walks, or yoga. Even just 10 minutes of mindful breathing can calm your nervous system and create a more supportive environment for your digestive organs to do their job. Let us not forget about sleep. Your gut operates on a circadian rhythm, just like the rest of your body. Poor sleep disrupts this rhythm and weakens your microbiome. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep every night. Create a calming bedtime routine. Avoid screens before bed and keep your room dark and cool. Your gut heals and regenerates during deep sleep, so making rest a priority is one of the most underrated ways to support digestive health. Lastly, move your body. Regular physical activity stimulates digestion, reduces bloating, and increases microbial diversity. You don't need to run a marathon. Even light exercise like walking, stretching, or dancing can make a huge difference. Movement increases blood flow to your organs and helps food pass more efficiently through your system. It also boosts your mood and lowers stress, both of which are directly linked to gut function. To recap, the keys to a healthier gut include high-fiber foods, fermented and prebiotic-rich foods, staying hydrated, cutting out processed junk, mindful meal timing, reducing stress, getting enough sleep, and staying active. You do not need to overhaul your life overnight. Just start with one small change and build from there. Maybe you start your day with a fiber-rich smoothie, or swap your afternoon snack for a bowl of yogurt with berries. Maybe you commit to drinking more water or taking a short walk after dinner. These small shifts, done consistently, can completely change how your body feels and functions. If you have made it this far, you are already ahead of most people who overlook the power of gut health. The truth is, healing begins in the gut. When your digestive system is balanced, you absorb more nutrients, have more energy, think more clearly, and even feel happier. So listen to your gut, literally. Pay attention to how different foods make you feel. Keep a simple food journal if needed, and most importantly, treat your gut like the vital organ it truly is. It is not just about what goes in your mouth, it is about what your body can actually digest and use. Thank you so much for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who could benefit. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more natural health tips, and let us know in the comments what topic you want us to cover next. Your support helps us keep creating videos that empower you to take charge of your health naturally.